Hey guys, it's Alyssa. Today I'm going to be doing the May Boxycharm unboxing haul. And if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it's basically a makeup monthly subscription box service where you get 4 to 5 full-size different makeup products each month. And all of those products are retailed for over $100, but you're only paying $21 a month to receive these full-size products. So it's honestly such a good deal. If you love makeup, Boxycharm is a way to go for you. And if you'd like to sign up to get a Boxycharm for yourself every month, then you can click the link down below in my description box too, and it'll send you right over to the Boxycharm website, and you'll be getting sent a box every single month full of 4 to 5 full-size makeup products for the price of only $21. And that is literally amazing. Also, follow me on all my social media accounts. I'll put them right here on the screen, and I'll also leave links to them down below in the description bar as well. Anyways, today I'm showing you guys what was in May's Boxycharm box, and more specifically what was in my May Boxycharm box, because every month they have different variations of the Boxycharm boxes. So usually it's like one item that's different from all the rest of the boxes, but it's the same like concept. Like last month it was an eyeshadow palette, I believe, that was different colors in everyone's boxes. It kind of just mixes it up a little bit, and it's cool to see what everyone gets in their own unique box. But all the other products are all the same. Anyways, so I'll start off with the weight for my box. So my box weighs 0.85 pounds. And the weight kind of tells you what variation you might have for that month. So some people are interested in knowing what the weight of the box is. When you open the box, this is what it looks like inside. Those are all the products in there. This month it actually came with 6 different makeup products because I think they're doing some kind of special, or it's like bonus month or something like that. Don't quote me on it, guys, but I heard something about that. So there is an extra bonus makeup item in this box this month. Every month the box comes with a little card, and the card on here usually gives you coupons for different brands that are inside the box. So this month it has 20% off Cover FX and 15% off Per Cosmetics. It also lists all the different makeup items that are in the box and a description of it, and also the price that it retails for. So it's really fun to add up all these and see how much you'd be spending individually or all together if you bought them. It's literally crazy how much of a difference that is and how much of a good deal this is, because you're only paying $21 a month. I'm kind of curious to see how much all the makeup products add up to on this little card, so I think I'll do that real quick at the end of the video after I show you all the makeup products in here, because I think that would be really fun to do. The first makeup item in here is a contour palette, and this one is from Per Cosmetics. It comes with 2 highlighters and then 2 contours, and these contours actually look really dark for me, so I probably won't use them. Like, it's literally like chocolate, like I'm over here looking pale AF. But these highlighters do look pretty. It also comes with a little mirror, as you can see in there. So I'm really excited to try the highlights out. This palette retails for $30, so we're already getting the full deal here because we only paid $21 a month. The next makeup product is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. It kind of has a tint. Ooh, that feels smooth. The tint literally like goes away when you rub it in. So this is just a blurring primer from Cover FX, and this is $38 by itself. Girl, dang, we're doing good here. The next makeup item in here is the Pretty Vulgar Gel Eyeliner, and this is something that I wouldn't really go out of my way to buy, but I've always wanted to try that. So what's nice about Boxycharm is that sometimes you get makeup products in there that you've always wanted to try, but you never got around to buying it. But now it's in the box, so like you can try it, and it's also a great deal. The packaging for this is so cute. It reminds me of a little ink jar, like, you know, back in the old days when they would get like feathers and then use the end of the feather to dip it in ink and then write something out that. That's what this reminds me of, a little ink jar, and it's so cute. But Boxycharm was also nice enough to also put in some brushes to use and apply for the gel eyeliner, which is very useful because I've never used gel eyeliner, and so now I have the resources to do so. This gel eyeliner retails for $24, and then this Aesthetica 3-piece eye trio retails for $45. Dang, girl. Wow. It comes with the angled eyeliner brush, a fine tipped eyeliner brush, and a spoolie for your eyebrows. I'm really excited to try this out because I used to wear a lot of eyeliner in high school, but I don't really wear eyeliner anymore. But now I have a reason to put on some more eyeliner. Another makeup brush also came in the box this month, and that's the Aesthetica face brush. It looks like you could probably use this for contour. This retails for $27, and it's a P12 face brush. I want to feel how soft this is. I love feeling the softness of brushes. Oh, that is real soft. And then the last makeup item that's in this month's box is this matte lip gloss. I actually tried this on before and it kind of goes on like a lip gloss, but it like mattifies real quick. This is from Beauty Creations and it retails for $10. Let me take it out of the packaging so you can see what it looks like. So this is it. It smells like candy, so that's a plus. This color is so pretty. This is actually my favorite color for lipstick or like liquid lipstick, you know. This is in the color Sweetheart, so if any of you guys like this color, try it out. I'll actually like do a quick swatch on my hand. Ooh, it's kind of darker than I imagined it to be, but it's still a really pretty color. It kind of has like a little shimmer. It's kind of mattifying right now. Okay, so now that we've gone through all the makeup products, I really want to just add up all of them and see how much they would cost if we bought them each individually. So let's see, $30 plus 38 plus 24 plus 45 plus 27 plus 10. Girl, do you see that? It would be $174 if we bought each makeup item in this box individually, but we only paid $21 a month for all of this. So there you have it. This just proves that Boxycharm is so worth it. You should definitely invest in this. It's only $21 a month. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you'd like to get your own Boxycharm again, I'll leave a link down below in my description box for you guys to click, and then you can sign up to get your own Boxycharm every month. And follow me on all my social media accounts, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.